What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy AJ Robinson. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I'm glad you guys are watching my videos and following what's going on. Appreciate that from all of you guys. Be sure to give the video a like, share it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Today I got going on, what I have going on is I got my boy Royce, Sideways Society Official on YouTube. It's his page. I have his differential in the bed of my truck, and I'm taking it to get welded at my buddy Gabe's house, the one with the 370Z. He does a lot of the welding and stuff, and he always hooks us up, comes through and helps us out with whatever we need. So shout out to Gabe, appreciate you for that, bro. But yeah, that's what's going on today. Just a short video to put out some content for you guys, so that way you guys can kind of see what's going on in a day in the life, I guess, or you know, just that way you guys can stay up to date with whatever we have going on. I know there's a lot of little stuff that we do like in the middle of like all of our big videos, but I kind of want to film more and get more content, so that way you guys can see all the little ins and outs of the stuff that we have going on, and overall I can stay consistent with the videos for you guys, so you guys don't get too bored. But yeah, that's what's going on. So like I said, thank you guys for watching the video. Let's get right into it. And sure, most of you guys have done a brake or a brake clean. Sure, most of you guys have welded your diff before, but you need some of this brake cleaner to clean it out as much as you can to get all the debris out of there, so the welds stick pretty good. So this stuff I think works best. Get a few of these, and yeah, I'll show you guys how you clean out the diff. Like I said, most of you, I'm pretty sure, who are watching this already know how to weld a diff and what you need to do to get it all clean and stuff, but just for the people, I guess, who have no idea, that are kind of just tuning in. I didn't even realize that I parked right next to an M3. This thing is freaking clean. It has a carbon hood. Woo! Oh, and it's the convertible. It's the E93. That's why I didn't realize it. Never mind, take that back. Ah, just kidding. Oh, not the M3. Oh, this thing is super clean though. Carbon hood. Can't really see out of my window. Yeah, this thing's sick.
Doesn't look oily anymore though.
Yeah, it looks dry on the inside.
No, it's really dry.
Just all that crap in the bottom.
That's a ton.
I know.
I think I just got dirty right there.
What is up, guys? I just get the lens all dirty. Thank you for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate it. I wasn't able to get an outro the day of the diff being welded because it was dark outside and the video quality wasn't that good, so I'm doing an outro now. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it, comment, and that should be it.